If Photoshop is throwing an export error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to exporting your files without losing time or progress. This is a very common problem, and in many cases it comes down to a version issue, a file naming problem, layer complexity, disk space, or corrupted preferences. So if you've been stuck on an export error in Photoshop, this guide should help you fix it quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and software fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is update Photoshop. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and check whether there's a newer version available. Sometimes Adobe releases fixes that solve export bugs, so updating can immediately resolve the problem. If you recently updated Photoshop and the error started after that, you may actually need to roll back to the previous stable version instead. In Creative Cloud, go to your Apps list, find Photoshop, open the Options menu, and choose the Version History or More Versions area. Then select the earlier version and install it. This is a great step when the export error is caused by a bad update. Next, check your file name and file path carefully. Photoshop can sometimes fail to export if the file name or folder path includes special characters, so avoid symbols like hashtag, @, exclamation marks, and other unusual characters. Keep the file name simple, clean, and easy to read. For example, rename your file to something like finaldesign.psd or exporttest.jpg. Also, make sure the folder path is not overly complex and does not contain special symbols in any directory name. This small fix solves the issue more often than people expect. If the error is still happening, the next step is to flatten the image. First, duplicate your document so you keep a safe backup of the layered version. Then on the duplicate, flatten the image so Photoshop combines the layers into a single layer. Once that's done, try exporting again. Sometimes export issues happen because the document is too complex, too large, or contains layer effects that Photoshop struggles to process during export. Flattening removes that extra complexity and can help the file export successfully. Now let's check your disk space. Photoshop relies on scratch disk space to work properly, especially during exports. If your primary hard drive is nearly full, Photoshop may not have enough temporary space to complete the process. Open your storage settings and clear out anything unnecessary. Delete old downloads, empty the recycle bin or trash, and move large files off your main drive if needed. The more free space you have, the better Photoshop will perform. If you've been getting random export errors, low disk space is absolutely something to check. If none of that works, you may be dealing with corrupted Photoshop preferences. This is one of the most effective fixes for strange app behavior. To reset your preferences on Windows, close Photoshop completely, then relaunch it while holding Alt, Control, and Shift at the same time. Keep holding those keys immediately after launching until Photoshop asks if you want to delete the preferences file. Confirm the reset, and Photoshop will reopen with fresh default settings. This can fix hidden configuration issues that cause export errors, crashes, or unusual tool behavior. After resetting preferences, try exporting your file again. In many cases, this final step clears out the problem and gets Photoshop working normally. If the export still fails, go back through the steps one more time. Make sure the file name is clean, your version is up to date, and your drive has enough space. These fixes solve the majority of Photoshop export problems people run into. So to recap, update or roll back Photoshop, remove special characters from your file name and path, flatten the document if needed, check your disk space, and reset preferences if the error continues. Those are the main fixes for the Photoshop export error, and one of them will usually get you back on track. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.